Welcome to Graflix's promotional item services. We'll work together in 7 steps to create custom promotional items that align with your brand and campaign goals. First, we'll have a consultation to identify your needs and target audience. Then, we'll create custom designs that align with your brand and campaign goals. You can choose from a wide range of high-quality promotional items, including mugs, pens, and tote bags. We use advanced production techniques to ensure your items look great and last long. We conduct thorough quality checks to ensure every item meets our high standards. We'll package and deliver your promotional items on time, ready to impress your audience. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we value your feedback. We work efficiently to meet your deadlines and deliver exceptional results. Let us help you make a lasting impression with custom promotional items from Graflix. Contact us today to discuss your needs and get started.